integrative system. It means in our body, all the physiological processes are controlled by the combination of both nervous system as well as endocrine system. So any type of the activity occurs inside our body can be controlled by both the systems. So nervous system is closely related with the endocrine system, and this type of the relation is known as integrative system. You know that neuron is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system, as well as the first nervous system is seen in Hydra. First nervous system is seen in Hydra in the form of nerve net or network of neurons. तो फोर्थ चैप्टर में आपने ऑलरेडी डिस्कस કર્યું છે that first nervous system is seen in Hydra, and Hydra is belonging to Coelenterata, coelenterids, right? First digestive system is seen in Eskelmins. First circulatory system close tied in Annelida. Annelids, first close type. The second number of circulatory system, but first is a open type in arthropod. Earthworm માં heart chambers છે, Eskelmins માં નથી. Neuron is the most complex cell of the body. And as you know that neuron is the longest cell of animals. Neurons can't divide. Neurons can't divide due to absence of centriole. Neurons can't divide due to absence of centriole, but can repair itself. Repairing of the neuron is little bit, but division of the neuron is impossible, because centrioles are absent there. Neuron is the animal cell, but along with the centriole is absent. Huh? And you know that centriole is the structure which gives rise to the bipolar spindle fibers, and it is connected to the disc-shaped structure which is situated over the centromere, known as kinetocones. Okay, and these kinetocones are helpful for division of the cells or chromosomes. Nissus granules are also known as trichoid bodies. In cytoplasm, RER is present in cytoplasm, but I am talking about of the neuron. अच्छा ये न्यूरोप्लाज्म कंसीडर करी શકો છો. Cytoplasm of neuron is also known as neuroplasm. So neuroplasm consists of RER, which produce the proteins. As a result, repairing of neuron occurs. Neuroplasm consists of RER. As a result, it produces the proteins. Rough chair, the ribosomes are present, so it produces the protein. That's why repairing of neurons is possible. Neurons repair થશે શોર્ટમાં divide નહીં. But due to lack of centriole. The cell body of the neuron is also known as cyton, also known as soma or perikaryon. Cell body, it is also known as cyton, also known as soma, also known as perikaryon. Thyroxine play a very important role. Thyroxine play very important role for elongation of nerve fiber. Axon is covered by phospholipid or sphingomyelin. Axon is covered by phospholipid or sphingomyelin, and this is known as lipid layer, myelin sheath. And that's why due to presence of the myelin sheath, we say that it is myelinated nerve fiber. Schwann cells take part in the deposition of myelin sheath. Schwann cells take part in the deposition of myelin sheath known as myelinogenesis. Myelinated nerve fibers are found in spinal and cranial nerves. Myelinated nerve fibers are found in spinal and cranial nerves, whereas non-myelinated nerve fibers are commonly found in autonomous and somatic nervous system. Okay, according to the number of dendrites and axons, you know that there are three types of the neurons: unipolar, bipolar, and multipolar. Unipolar type of neurons are seen in the nervous system of embryo. Unipolar neurons are seen in nervous system of embryo. Bipolar neurons are seen in retina of eye. Unipolar neurons are seen in nervous system of embryo. Bipolar neurons are seen in retina of human eye, and multipolar neurons are seen in cerebral cortex. Hydra shows most primitive neuron. Hydra shows most primitive neuron. Stimulatory neurohormones are अच्छा तो ध्यान रखो the stimulatory neurohormones which always stimulate the synapse. You know that in the synapse acetylcholine filled synaptic vesicles are there, and at the time of the impulse coming in contact with the synapse. अच्छा તમને જો ખ્યાલ આવતો હોય તો વાત કરી દીધી છે. Axon in that sodium potassium ions are required there, and transmission of the impulse to the synapse for that calcium ion is required. So for transport of the impulse through one neuron, sodium, potassium and calcium are required. An impulse is transmitted from one node of ganglia to another. It is known as saltatory conduction. Jumping movement of impulse known as saltatory conduction. Okay, so stimulatory neurohormones which stimulate the synapse to perform the more activities of the neurons. So write that stimulatory neurohormones are acetylcholine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. Okay, acetylcholine, epinephrine and norepinephrine. So epinephrine and norepinephrine are combined known as catecholamines, and this is also known as sympathetin hormones. Okay, so this sympathetin hormone, I mean to say adrenaline as well as noradrenaline, both can stimulate the sympathetic nervous system, which is the part of the autonomous nervous system, and create the fight or flight reaction. Okay, actually adrenaline and noradrenaline are known as triple F hormones: fight, flight and fear. Triple F hormone, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Fine. So acetylcholine, adrenaline and noradrenaline. Adrenaline known as epinephrine, noradrenaline known as norepinephrine, and all adrenaline and noradrenaline both are known as sympathetic hormones, which stimulate the sympathetic nervous system. Next point, inhibitory neurohormones are GABA, GABA, gamma aminobutyric acid, serotonin, dopamine, doesn't mind no લખો અને dopamine લખશે ગાયનિયા માટે આવે serotonin, dopamine and glycine. Okay, so here I can stop now. Fine.